I'm gonna get you got something hot? I'm gonna do the pepperoni. Can I get a slice of pepperoni and then? Look, man, that's an official Queen's pizza. What's going on, family? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm in Forest Hills, Queens, and I'm about to go out here, man, to the boulevard and see what type of food that I can find in Forest Hills. I was just talking to a native of this area, and I said, "Where's the good food?" And they said, "You should have went to Flushing for some good food." They was like, "It's not too much food in Forest Hills, but we're gonna check it out, man." All right, I'm still walking, man. I'm out here for a photo shoot. That's why I'm out here. But y'all know I gotta like check out the spots, man. I just walked about 4 blocks and I saw several Chinese restaurants here on Queens Boulevard. Let's check out a pizza spot, man. Look, when all else fails, let's try pizza. All right, we'll check it out. Let's see, they may have a spot to sit in here too. I think I'm gonna just sit and just do a little bit of relaxing, man. Oh, that looks good already over there. Look at that pizza right there, man. That looks good, right? I want something fresh and hot, man. Look at this pizza. How y'all doing? I'm gonna get you got something hot? Anything fresh? This one here? What's that, buffalo chicken? Oh yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do the pepperoni. Can I get a slice of pepperoni and then the white cheese? Yep, that's a good choice. I'm gonna stay. Huh? Yeah. We're gonna check it out. All right, y'all. We got the hot ones. He's giving me the fresh hot ones. I'm gonna get a slice of the white cheese there, and we're gonna get a slice of the pepperoni. Just cutting it up, man. Look, man, that's an official Queen's pizza.
So you can card, right?
I'll pay with card, yep.
Alright, 1231.
1231?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, I put some hot crushed pepper on it. I put some garlic right on that tip, man, because that powdered garlic makes my breath stink. Not regular garlic, just that. And some oregano and some crushed peppers. It looks nice and fresh. He said this just came out of the oven, both of them. So let's go for it, man. Once again, see that? I like the way the oil come off. Oil's dripping on my menu over there. Also, you got it, man. It's got that dough you can just fold in half. A lot of oil on that pizza, man. Look at it dripping. That's really good. Pepperoni has just a tad of that crispiness on it. Look at it. Look at that pizza. I got napkins. Don't tell my doctor, y'all. This one's that white cheese, no sauce. Uh-oh. That's good too. I'm gonna bite that side right there, get that cheese. Definitely ricotta cheese on there. Look at this now. See that ricotta cheese there? I'm going back to the pepperoni slice. The cheese slice is delicious. Both of them are delicious, man, and I like the way I can fold them. So you get plenty of pizza. The name of the place is it's either Rosalia's or Rosalia. RosaliaPizzeria.com. I'll put the name up right there. This year, man, Matt DV, love you cats. About to go do this photo shoot. Had to get something to eat. I didn't have nothing to eat until this morning, and I had pancakes. I did like this, but they were good pancakes. I made them. We'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. The name of the place is pronounced Rosalia. Rosalia's Pizza. Very good, man. If you are over here in Forest Hill, Queens, you want to check out Rosalia's Pizza. It was good, man. It was really good pizza. Delicioso. All right, it's getting a little breezy out here, and I got to find out where the photo shoot is being held, because I was a little early, man. So you know if I'm a little early, I'm going to grab me something to eat. So let's go see where the photo shoot's being held. Then I got to go back to the car, get my change of shirts. I ain't trying to be too fancy. I just want to do a little photo shoot, you know? All right, y'all. So I'm up at the photo shoot here in Forest Hill, Queens. So whatever. We got actors here. We got the DP, the cinematographer, photographer, Lewis Kent in the house. I just came to support, man. Y'all know I don't have no fancy clothes or nothing, man. And the dog was just saying something to me. He just said, wait till I get out there. He said, I'm gonna show you guys. He said, wait till I get out there, I'm gonna show you. Not that one, no. There it is, midlife, God's will. I just have a question. Why isn't there any meat in these potatoes?
The potatoes grow in the ground and the meat grows on the hoof. That's what you've been chasing all day. Go catch one and I'll cook it up for you.
Oh, I like that line.